Hi everyone, I want to talk about an exciting update coming to Fusion. We're introducing new intent-driven design workflows. Now, Fusion has always been about flexibility and innovation, combining design, engineering, and manufacturing in one platform. But we've also heard from many of you, especially those of you coming from traditional CAD tools, that while Fusion's integrated approach is powerful, it can feel a bit too unfamiliar. This update isn't about changing what makes Fusion great. It's about giving you more flexibility and options to design in ways that make the most sense to you. Now, we've always had the ability to work with structured assemblies, but it wasn't the default and it wasn't as accessible. Now, we're making that workflow easier to use so you can get started on the right path from the very beginning. By letting you pick how you want to start your design, we are making it more welcoming to those of you who are new to Fusion, and also more versatile to those of you already in the Fusion community. Bottom line, we are empowering you to work your way without compromise. Thank you for using Fusion.